Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you that how you will use Google Lens and you will copy text from a piece of paper and the text written in the paper is handwritten. So let's start. So first, in another video I have shown you that we will use Google Lens and how to download it. The link is given in the description below. So this is the app Lens. So let's go to that. So here is search with your camera. Okay. So now here we will turn it to text. So let's go to text. Okay. So now this is our text. So if we want to select this text, we need to click here. Okay. So this is the text. So if you want to listen that what is written here, you can just click this listen button.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to copy text from paper.
Okay. So if you want to copy this text, you will just click here, select all. So I will click select all and then we can copy. Okay, here is written copy to clipboard. So now you can go anywhere and paste this text. And you can write lines of text and you can copy it from Google Lens. So you no need to just type boring typing, just first write in hand and then just Google Docs. So I am creating a new document. So here I am going to paste the text. Look, this is our text, but in the picture the from paper was written below, so it came below, but you can make it format. Just you need to do the formatting and everything else is okay. Look. Hello everyone, today we are going to copy text from paper. Everything is just the same. So no more today. Thanks for watching. Bye.